Okay, now it's time for some self-care. As the flowers start to bloom this spring, so should your skin. And I'm making that a thing.
Making a thing. Beauty
blooming
expert Nicole Pearl is here with some reasonably priced beauty products you should know about. We love having you here, Nicole.
I'm so happy to be back. Thank you.
Let's get straight into it. What do you have?
We're going to talk good trends. The first is Glow First SPF. This is from Coco and Eve. This is a sunscreen that's all about hydrating your skin as well. So they've got a coconut milk, but then they also have this highlighter that's got the shimmery finish. So you'll be sexy and protected and glowy.
I love a shimmer finish.
Sexy and protected.
Sexy and protected.
And it smells amazing. So definitely.
And it's not like too
really nice.
glittery.
Right. It's like the perfect sexy sheen.
Yes.
So definitely check out Coco and Eve. It's the Sunny Honey collection.
Oil your legs with this.
Speaking of fragrance, let's move on to.
We're going to talk about pop culture perfume because we are mixing scents with cinema.
Okay.
So Scentbird is a subscription website for fragrances, and they have collaborated with the John Wick franchise. So they've got these amazing fragrances that are cedarwood and amber, and you can kind of smell it. They also collaborate. This is Drift. This is an air freshener for your car.
Oh, cool.
And so
Here,
they've
let's put it
also
back
done
down
the
there
John
so we
Wick.
see it.
Oh, sorry, yeah.
That's okay.
Like John Wick, the movie.
John Wick, the
with
movie.
Keanu Reeves.
Yes.
Does it smell like him?
It smells like Keanu Reeves. Did you smell it? Smell it.
Yeah, it's good. Here, you can take the fragrance. And then also Scentbird collaborated with Twilight, the movie. So this is tuberose and floral. Imagine
it's
that.
Nice and not too
beautiful?
heavy.
So
Very
Scentbird,
good.
check it out. Very
this
affordable.
is masculine.
And so we got the masculine, we've got the feminine.
Let's move on here. Let's keep it going.
Yes,
Look at this.
These are Beauty. This is from MediHeal. These are their blemish pads. The ingredient that everyone needs to know about is madecassoside. So this is great for stressed skin this time of year. So if you're feeling blemish prone, if you're feeling irritated, you put this on. There's a little picker, and you use it to pick it up.
Little pads,
and you can,
right?
Yes, so these pads you can wipe on your skin like a traditional toner or leave it like a sheet mask, and it's going to help with calming your skin irritation. Huge K-beauty brand, 74 beauty awards this product has won.
And there's a set for that too. Okay, moving on over here.
Okay, now there's been a surge in J-beauty searches because people want
J-beauty. I just got into K-beauty.
Yes, now we're moving to J-beauty. This is the leading all-in-one Japanese skincare brand in Japan. It's called Perfect One. They have this skincare trio. I want you to try this moisturizer. 40 moisturizing ingredients. But it's super lightweight and great for this time of year.
Great.
Now we're going to talk about
Lush.
really redness reducers. This is Lush's new Ultra Bland Cleansing Balm. This is like a modern day cold cream, you guys. So it's going to really remove the makeup and all the dirt without stripping your skin. And they just came out with 4 new varieties for every skin type. So definitely check out that from Lush.
Great.
It's got,
And then the nails, real quick.
Okay, so the big nail color is baby blue. This is Karma Organics. It's an amazing nail care brand. Non-toxic, vegan, small mom and pop based in New Jersey. I love Karma Organics, so check them out.
That's a pretty color. You did that, Nicole. You got through it.
And this is why we love you, because
thank you
you're
so much.
so good.
Thank you to Nicole Pearl. Follow her at Nicole Pearl Beauty Girl on Instagram.
Yes,
she
follow
deserves
her.
it.
All right, that does it for us today. Next week, we've got theater, food, and boba.